Let's learn together. Are you ready?
A is for apple, juicy and red. Crunch, crunch, yum, full tummy bed. B is for bear, big warm hug. Wave hello, smile snug as a bug. C is for car, beep, beep, go. Round the bend, nice and slow. D is for duck, waddle and quack. Splash the pond, then paddle back. E is for egg, smooth and white. Tap and crack, what a sight. F is for frog, hop, don't stop. Ribbit, ribbit, hippity hop. G is for giraffe, tall and sweet. Nibble leaves, what a treat. H is for helicopter, spin so high across the sky. I is for ice cream, cold delight. Lick, 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 just right. J is for jellyfish, float and sway. Glowing dots light up the bay. K is for kangaroo, boing, boing, bounce. Joey peeks from the pouch to pounce. L is for lion, gentle or loud. King of the grass, brave and proud. M is for monkey, swing and wee. Banana, break up in the tree. N is for nest, cozy and round. Quiet place where eggs are found. O is for owl, wide bright eyes. Woo, woo, woo through moonlit skies. P is for pizza, cheesy, hot. Take a slice, hit the spot. Q is for queen, crown just right. Waves hello, sparkling bright. R is for rocket, whoosh to space. Stars go by, zoom, zoom, race. S is for snake, slither and slide. Set steps, quiet glide. T is for train, chug-a-choo-choo. Over the hills and past the blue. U is for unicorn, magic to see. Rainbow mane, wild and free. V is for violin, strings that sing. Bow to the beat, zing-a-zing. W is for whale, splash so wide. Songs that echo through the tide. X is for X-ray, peek inside. Bones say hello, hide and slide. Y is for yo-yo, up and down. Spin, 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 round and round. Z is for zebra, black and white. Striped and swift, what a sight.
Please subscribe and like the video.